Hello guys. So I thought you are gonna do something slightly different today. It's still gonna be about mythological subject. But on this channel we consider mythology as facts and we have ways to prove that with factual evidence. And I'm gonna show you how. It's actually very easy. All you need to do is to find one of the structures or some of the structures. You're gonna find multiple of them and snap some photos of them, or you can film them, you know. But actually, just taking picture of it is enough, you know. But first things first, the guy who opened my eyes to this new particular subject of the structure in the woods and the hidden leprechauns, pixies, Bigfoots, gnomes, you name it, all manners of mythological beings. I know some of this is possible to dismiss, easy to dismiss as pareidolia, but we do have some undeniable evidence. Thanks to Mark, his YouTube channel, Colorado Bigfoot. You gotta go check him out. Go subscribe to him, you know. He deserves your following, you know. And you can learn a lot from him and how to do this. But he's on the top of the game. He has been able to capture this awesome, undeniable footage, you know. Just look at how that face is fused in the trees. Yeah, that's in one of his videos, you know. That's basically world record footage right there, you know. And he didn't even mention it because there's so much other things to talk about. He probably forgot or he didn't see it. I don't know. Mark, if you watch this, this is your footage, you know. Do you not have any comment on it, you know? Anyways, you can look at his channels for his footage. Now we're gonna look at my footage. Let's take a look at this first picture I ever taken of a gnome. I'm trying something a little bit different. I'm experimenting with UV light and night vision, you know. I'm not sure if the results are better, but it's at least different, you know. So yeah, I think I got another. I captured the same guy, you know, the same leprechaun or gnome, like on up front the first footage because it is about exactly the same area, you know. And here he is, you know. Here he is. Do you think these two are the same guy? Could be, I don't know. It looks kind of the same. Remember, it's always their system, you know. I always film where there are their system. That's where you gotta take photos or try to capture some videos. You know, film your local gnome teepees. You know, I'm not sure what you're gonna call them even. Maybe they aren't gnomes. Maybe they aren't pixies. They're like different things. Yeah, so unironically, I have this corgi dog with me. You know, if anyone have heard about it, the Pixie King used to ride a corgi dog. So that's kind of unironically. I guess some of you may think gnomes and pixies sound kind of silly, but you know, some of the faces that are hidden in the patterns looks very, very, very gnomish, you know. But yeah, I guess we can identify them somehow, you know. Sometimes, not always. Such as this one, who's photobombing my sister. I don't know who took this picture, but it's someone in my family. So yeah, that's a kodama. I'm pretty sure that's a kodama. And I got another picture of a kodama. What is a kodama, you might ask? They are mentioned in Japanese folklore. They are nature's spirits, and some of them live in trees, they inhabit trees or rocks, they are living everywhere in nature. And they seem to look just like in that Japanese anime, Princess Mononoke. Yeah, I'm pretty convinced this is real. This cartoonish kind of being. Remember, it is their structures. That's how you discover them. There are these sticks that are arranged into, like, X's or stars, or tridents and all kinds of, you know just notice, like, how some loose sticks in the woods are like arranged into something, and they're just loose, not stuck into trees. And you can find a teepee, or you can find, an X or trident. That's how we know it's them. But some people are not gonna accept or understand it, no matter how blatant it is, because their own thinking gets in the way, their own logic gets in the way. How they define logic is like not allowing them to understand this. They don't see the logic of its structures in the wood, you know. They are only gonna follow the logic of the way they've been taught. That's a left brainer. But I do think that using UV light or a night vision, or maybe even combined, is really helping. I really does. I really do think it helps us see them better, at least on the photo camera. It's like you can just snap a photo of any of the structures and just zoom in, and if you see little faces like this, that's them. You don't have to question it. But they're very often very elusive and like blurry or far away. So it could be very easy to dismiss as pareidolia. But then you get the structures, which is a coherent system that you can find everywhere in the woods. That's how you got some kind of evidence that this is real. Yeah. So I have like two different picture of the same guy here, which is on two different occasions. But this like almost exact same place. This like 5-7 meters apart. These two spots. And that's looks exactly like him, like the same guy. That's how I know that's the same guy, because he is hanging out. He's living in that area. This is beyond our understanding. We don't really know how this works, but it's there. It's right there. This is going on. This is real. You know, think about that. All the myths, all the mythological things you can imagine, it's all real. It's all real, probably. Everything. Every legend, every mythology. And yet, almost nobody knows. Almost nobody understands this. No one has seen this. It's like the whole world doesn't have a clue. We are pioneers. It's probably under 500,000 of people who understand these things that we are talking about. Almost everyone is like in a sleep state, and they don't have a single clue about how amazing the world really is. They're really missing out. Assuming that they're covering everything for us in the mainstream science or on the big screen. But it's actually just a big freaking fat lie, dude. Everything is rigged up all the way up to your eyeballs, dude. You basically have to sell your soul to have material power. Chasing money and fame is not worth it. God is always gonna provide for you more than you need. All that you need. And the world is gonna change. The way things are rigged up is all gonna collapse, man. I believe that. But don't forget to check out Colorado Bigfoot, the YouTube channel. He's the one who showed me this, how to do this. He's been doing this for like 7 years, so that you can do it in 5 minutes. Check him out, dude. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And thank you very much for watching this video. See you around. Have a nice day.